So today's our last day in Arizona. We're heading back to Vegas today, so we're just gonna pack our stuff and get on the road. Before leaving Arizona, we stopped at the Hanging Garden Trail for a quick hike. Hey Travel Dread, so we're on the trail to see the Hanging Gardens. This is a cool spot for photographers. You want to come and take pictures of the pretty open area. And the hike to the Hanging Gardens is not that long. It's a short walk, honestly, maybe 10-15 minutes. So it's like, what, 30 minutes hike back and forth. So and we are here at the Hanging Gardens. To be honest, it doesn't look like much of a garden to me, but hey, to each their own. Let's try and go to the top. A pretty steep climb. This is a pretty good spot to do some photography. Oh, okay. All right, so I thought I found the Hanging Gardens. This is actually the Hanging Gardens. All right, so we're at the end of the trail. Pretty sure we're gonna head back and go to the viewpoint. It's a point right across there. We're gonna head there and see if we can get some good shots. So we're heading to the viewpoint to get a higher shot. You can see all these rocks. It kind of gives you the trail and path to follow because it's a pretty open area. So it's really easy to just wander off. At least for me, it's easy to wander off. God, I hate hills. Hate hills so much. What's up, Jeremiah? I know that guy. This view is incredible. So I'm not able to fly my drone, which makes sense because there's like towers to the left over there. And I guess I'm in a restricted zone to fly for flying aircraft, so won't push my luck. Just gotta obey the rules sometimes and let it be. Honestly, places like this makes me believe aliens are real. Because if I was an alien visiting Earth, I'll definitely hide in some rocks out here. Yeah, without a question. All right, I think I've had enough hiking for one day. So now I'm gonna find my cousin and my sister, and we're gonna head to Las Vegas. Let's go back to the car. Now, if you rewind to the 2-minute and 40-second mark of this video, you will realize right there is my Canon Rebel T6 that I misplaced at some point during my hike. Here's what happened next. So after all that running and all that hiking, found the camera, baby. Let's not do that again. All right, for real this time. Let's head back to the car and head to Las Vegas. All right, so after a 4-hour drive back to Las Vegas from Page, Arizona yesterday. We were supposed to go out, but a few of us got sick. Won't name names. And we didn't. So now we're getting ready to leave for our flight. And hopefully we can see a little bit of Las Vegas before we go. So that's the plan today. If not, it's straight to the airport. And we'll see where the day takes us. So we're just walking around trying to find something to do. The Botanical Gardens is close by, so we might head there to check it out. I know it's my first time here, but Las Vegas is huge as F. It's way more space than Boston. So we found a pretty good view off Vegas. Check this out, guys. Walking around, I'm still looking for the Bellagio, the Botanical Garden. I'm at the Bellagio, no idea where it is. So I'm just gonna walk around a bit more and see if I can find it. Alright, travelheads, I finally found the garden and here it is. Amazing all the colors you see in here. It's really cool. After leaving the Botanical Garden, we made our way back to the car to head to the airport. Guys, look at the roof of this place. So I forgot to film an outro at the airport, so I'm doing it now. Thanks for watching. I'm Jay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.